The holiday season is upon us, a time for joy, generosity, and gratitude. This holiday tipping guide from your friends at Crypto for Seniors. We are empowering seniors and our subscriber community by turning curiosity into knowledge with our videos. You can jump ahead with the timestamps located in the description. Now, more about how to tip gracefully. Amidst the festivities and celebrations, it's important to remember those who provide us with essential services throughout the year. The primary group we are focusing on is those who you interact daily, weekly, or monthly who provide essential service and make your life easier or better in some way. A shout out to Emily Post Experts for providing some of the information in this video. From the mail carrier who delivers our packages to the hairstylist who keeps us looking our best, these individuals play a vital role in our daily lives. Holiday tipping is a gesture of appreciation, a way to acknowledge their hard work and dedication. It's a tangible way to say thank you and spread holiday cheer to those who deserve it most. This guide aims to provide clear and simple advice on navigating the often confusing world of holiday tipping. We'll explore general guidelines, discuss who to tip, suggest appropriate amounts, and offer tips on when and how to deliver your tokens of appreciation. Remember, the most important aspect of tipping is the sincerity behind the gesture. Holiday tipping is a thoughtful gesture, but it shouldn't cause undue financial stress. Before deciding who and how much to tip, take a moment to consider your overall budget. Be realistic about what you can comfortably afford. It's perfectly acceptable to adjust your tipping amounts based on your financial situation. The relationship you have with the service provider is another important factor to consider. If you have a close relationship with your hairstylist or dog walker, you may choose to tip more generously. For individuals who provide less frequent services, a smaller token of appreciation is still a kind gesture. Honesty is crucial when it comes to tipping. If you're unable to tip as generously as you would like, a heartfelt thank you and a sincere expression of appreciation are equally valuable. Never feel pressured to tip beyond your means. Remember, the true spirit of holiday tipping lies in showing gratitude for services rendered. Know you've been a good friend. During the holiday season, it's customary to tip those individuals who provide regular services throughout the year. These individuals often go above and beyond to make our lives easier, and a holiday tip is a wonderful way to show your gratitude. Start with those who provide weekly services, such as your house cleaner, dog walker, or babysitter. Here you will see the Emily Post Experts suggested amounts. Again, only do what you can afford. This list is not complete. It's only a small list of those who most people interact with on a monthly basis. Remember, if you cannot afford to tip this amount, no stress. Simple hand, write a lovely note to the individual wishing them a joyous holiday season. Look directly at them and give a good, solid handshake. This is the best way to show them how much you appreciate them no matter what your financial situation is. These individuals play an integral role in your household, and a generous tip is a kind gesture. Next, consider those who provide services every other week or monthly, like your hairstylist, manicurist, or personal trainer. Don't forget about the individuals who provide essential services during the busy holiday season, such as delivery drivers, caterers, and bartenders. These individuals work tirelessly to ensure our holidays run smoothly, and a tip is a small way to show your appreciation. Remember, a little thoughtfulness goes a long way in spreading holiday cheer. I want to cover an initiative way one individual is making it easier for those along his trash route. This individual sends holiday cards to everyone on his route. Next to the holiday wishes, he has a QR code for you to send a tip digitally. Now, while this is an amazing way to show gratitude to someone who truly has a thankless job and who works a long shift, it is important, if you can, to remember them. If not now, then in the very near future, scammers will start to copy this method. If you are unsure or you don't specifically know your individual, a note or leaving a card attached with a bow to the top of the trash or the trucks are usually very loud. Simply step out when you hear them coming and show your gratitude then. A practical guide to holiday tipping amounts. Determining the appropriate amount to tip can feel daunting, but there are some general guidelines to help you navigate this aspect of holiday tipping. Remember, these are just suggestions, and you should always feel empowered to adjust the amount based on your budget and your relationship with the service provider. For individuals who provide weekly services such as your house cleaner, dog walker, or babysitter, A tip equivalent to 1 week's pay is considered a generous gesture. Now, remember, this list is not considered complete. We all have those in our lives who have had a positive impact, like maybe you are in counseling or dealing with an illness and see the same nurses on a regular basis. Maybe you have had an injury and are getting physical therapy. Now, back to the list. If you pay your house cleaner $100 per week, a $100 tip would be appropriate for the holidays. For those who provide services every other week or monthly, such as your hairstylist or manicurist, consider tipping half the amount of one service. For example, if your haircut typically costs $50, a $25 tip would be a thoughtful gesture. And for individuals who provide one-time services during the holiday season, such as delivery drivers or caterers, a tip of 10 to 20% of the total bill is standard practice. When and how to tip delivering your gratitude with grace. Timing is everything when it comes to holiday tipping. Aim to deliver your tips a few days before the actual holiday, allowing recipients ample time to enjoy the extra cash during the festive season. A tip delivered after the holiday season has passed can feel like an afterthought, so aim for timely delivery. Cash is generally the preferred method of tipping, as it allows the recipient to receive the full amount without any deductions. When tipping with cash, place the money in a festive envelope and write the recipient's name clearly on the front. A handwritten note expressing your gratitude is always a welcome addition. If you prefer to tip via check, ensure it's clearly designated as a tip in the memo line to avoid any confusion. For individuals who provide services through an app, such as ride-sharing or food delivery, you can often add a tip directly within the app itself. The true spirit of holiday tipping. Holiday tipping is about more than just handing out money. It's about acknowledging the hard work and dedication of those who contribute to our lives throughout the year. It's about showing gratitude for the services they provide and spreading a little extra cheer during the holiday season. Remember, the most important aspect of tipping is the gesture itself. A sincere thank you and a small token of appreciation can go a long way in making someone's holiday a little brighter. By following these guidelines and trusting your judgment, you can navigate the world of holiday tipping with confidence and grace. This holiday season, let's embrace the spirit of generosity and appreciation. Let's make a conscious effort to acknowledge those who make our lives a little easier, a little brighter, and a little more joyful.